Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can embed Google reviews on website. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for ELF site. Now open the first website that appears and sign into your account. After that, hover your cursor over the widget's embed at the top of the screen and select Google Reviews located under the Reviews tab. You will see various templates to choose from. Simply select any one of them and click on the Continue with this template button. Next, edit the Reviews widget to your liking. After you are satisfied with your edits, you will be prompted to enter the business name and address. Simply get to the Maps website and copy-paste both of them. You can either perform this step or just leave it if your business doesn't pop up in the list. Now, click on the Add to Website for Free button and then close it from the top right corner. After that, click on the Install button and copy the embed code from this window. Now get to your website builder webpage and navigate to the editor. Inside it, look for a suitable area to place the Reviews widget. Once you're there, click on the Add icon at top left corner and select Embed Code from the menu. Now paste the code we just copied and click on Apply. You can then customize your widget so that it doesn't blend in with the background, or you can just change the website background to make it more noticeable. So that's basically how you can embed Google reviews on website. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.